Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pay your QuickBooks Online subscription. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. From your dashboard, find the gear icon in the top right corner and select Account and Settings. Then, click on the Billing and Subscription tab. Here, you will see all the essential information about your current plan, including your next billing date and the amount due. This is your starting point for managing payments. Once in the billing section, you can easily update your payment information. You have the option to add a new credit card, such as a Visa, MasterCard, or American Express, or even a bank account. If your current card is expiring, you can edit its details right here. Remember to always save your changes. Setting a preferred payment method ensures your subscription continues without interruption, making the process smooth and efficient each month. Before your next payment is processed, it is a good idea to review your billing details. You can see your next billing date and the exact amount that will be charged. This section also allows you to access your complete payment history, including all past invoices, which is very helpful for record keeping. Always confirm that your chosen payment method is correct and up to date to avoid any service interruptions. If you encounter any issues or have questions about your QuickBooks Online subscription payment, help is readily available. You can contact QuickBooks customer support directly for personalized assistance. Their comprehensive help center also offers numerous articles and guides that address common billing questions and error messages. Understanding these resources can save you time and ensure your account remains in good standing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.